It's a vlog. Okay, so story time. Okay, let me tell a story and then I go back to work. Okay, wait, let me tell a story as I'm going. So, guy, I promised you a story, right? So once upon a time, yeah. Okay, let me not say that. Okay, there was a story, guys. I'm gonna tell you a suitcase story. Guys, Jola has been the most. So apparently, I can't really mention them, but it's them there. Yeah, I'll just use the phrases. Those who know will know. So them, we were in a situationship. Yeah, it was a relationship by that time, according to what I was classifying it. But it turns out I was in a situationship. Slow down. So, my girl goes and visits the friend, right? The friend decides, no one knows you are here, you better hide. And then they hide me in a suitcase. Guys, okay, I'll finish later, but just a hint, stay tuned to the more, because more stories are coming. Suitcase lady, I've been through the worst.